So my name is Ivank. I did my bachelor's from TISS and now I'm currently enrolled in UFP. So basically, two of my friends in TIS, one was a senior, Ipshit. He was a student fellow here, and another friend of mine. He kind of interviewed here, but did not get selected. So through those two people, I got to know about it. And before coming here, I also got to know about the edX course, online course, through that also. During my post graduation, I did my dissertation on urban flooding and all. Coming here, I kind of got exposed more to the planning and the governance side. Through that, I could make much more relation to what I did. And now I'm trying to explore more into the concept of resilience and all through informality planning and all. It was nice. I think online term was a bit challenging for me because half of the time what you read there, like whatever is being taught there, it just doesn't connect with me. Like coming to classes or physically, if I come here, then it makes sense because I can physically see like how you react, how you respond, and all those things. But online, your internet doesn't work. Half the things like there's so much challenges and all. So per se, online can be a bit better, but offline it's nice. I would say it's Sudeshna's urban regional development, and I could really relate to what I did and all. Her understanding was what she talked about spaces and all, and that's how I'm connecting things right now. This data journalism was a really interesting assignment because through that I could connect to say I could relate it to sports, say football. So I'm able to relate ki how fixtures and how you use data to say ki how fixtures are connected to make arguments around it. Offline, it was mostly like I knew my place, I knew my surroundings, so it was easy. Like I knew what the things were and all. But here, coming here, Practica was much more challenging because, as you know, people are not here. What do you say? Multilingual, like people who are Tamil speaker, people Kannada, Hindi, English. You get to interact with a lot of people. You so I kind of helped me expose more to this diverse set of people to communicate and all. So I would say it really helped me. Master classes, I feel like they were very restricted this time. Like and all of them were more majorly online. That I felt was not nice way of doing a masterclass because I feel like again if you do face to face it's much more better to do it because there are so many things you want to ask but offline may you just say two three questions but offline may there's a lot of ways you can make connection and all the ways someone speaks and all. I'm just continuing my practica ka assignment thing that we did rental housing pay understanding the owner's perspective ki how rental housing has impacted due to COVID. Now I'm switching it to some different location, say Ijipura, which is closer to IT. This one was a bit closer to industrial. This is closer to IT, which are same set of say rental housing, 40 to 60% rental housing. The I think the only difference is this time I'm exposing myself to brokers and tenants rather than owners' perspective. I felt like it should have been a more a collective thing rather than to like just look at someone's preferences, narrow it down. Maybe there are certain organization which I never knew. I might have looked there, found something new. Like FSG wasn't there, but I got to know about FSG and then I was really interested. So that's how it's kind of thing working out. I would say if someone is applying, don't be too anxious about ki how to go to front of you. Just be yourself. Like that's what I personally struggled with. Ki before applying to IHS, like there are so many like Aro Maravi, Sadeshna, Gautam. Like these people are how I'm gonna interview. Just be yourself and just be relaxed about the whole interview process.